Hi everyone, this is Nick, your property guide for propertycozy.com. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, please turn the notification bell on to be notified when a new video is available. Now let's get into it. Now today we're gonna talk about buying a house in Jamaica. There's some basic steps to take when you plan to purchase your first home. Step 1. First of all, buying a house is a big commitment. Don't just want to buy a house because everyone else is trying to do so. Think about your income and employment status. Trying to buy a house 100 miles from your job or forcing to buy a property out of your income range makes no sense. You also need to ask yourself if you are willing to live in one place, because when you are a homeowner, it is difficult to move, and although you can sell your home, it still takes time. So consider your career goals, family obligations, and more. Step 2. You need to calculate what you can afford. There are people who can afford to buy a home in cash, and some people go through mortgage. If you are going through mortgage, you need to set a budget. Look at your current debt and income and see how much money you can afford on mortgage monthly. If you have trouble calculating this, just visit our website propertycozy.com and click the mortgage calculator tab. Step 3. After you have decided what you can afford, it's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This step can be skipped for those who are buying cash. There are a number of financial lenders in Jamaica, so you just need to make the appropriate check on which one is best for you. They will check your current income, your assets, and the price home you are trying to buy. Credit check is also involved in the process to see if you have any outstanding loans and so on. Step 4. Now it's time to get a real estate agent. This agent will look out for your best interest in getting a home based on your criteria. Doing this is usually free as a buyer, because the seller is the one who will pay the agent's commission. But just to be on the more accurate side, you can ask an agent before starting your property search. Step 5. Now it's time to start your home search. You will need to tell your agent about your price range, house size, how much bedrooms, location preference, home condition if you're seeking a fixer-upper, and so on. From this, your agent will do a search and show you houses that fits your needs. This can also take some time, so don't get discouraged. Step 6. After you have decided on a house, it's time for inspection. You can do your own inspection or hire a professional to do so. Although this will come at an additional cost, they will check the roof for safety, test electronic run-ins, and much more, just to make sure that you are getting what you are paying for. You can also hire an attorney to do due diligence on the property and check its paperwork to ensure everything is intact. Step 7. After you have completed inspection on the house, it's then time to submit your offer. If your offer submitted is accepted, then a down payment may be required depending on the seller, just as security, especially if the seller is getting multiple offers. Also, it is good at this point to have your attorney look over the sale agreement and advise. Step 8 is finalizing everything, having your sale agreement sorted out and finalizing your mortgage. Your attorney and your seller's attorney will ensure everything is put in place within a specified timeline, which can be between 90 to 180 days depending on the process. After this is done, you will be provided with your title showing home ownership. Congratulations, you have made it to step 9. This is the final step, and this is moving into your house, making it your home and adding your own touches. I hope these tips were helpful and that it will help you to secure your dream home one day. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.